the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life, as said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. With this quote, a warm and pleasant good morning to you all present over this morning assembly. Today, me, Harinishri, is standing in front of you all along with my brothers and sisters host today's morning assembly. So, our today's topic is importance of time management. A new day means a fresh start and new opportunities. Let's greet the day with open arms, as we all know that no program can be started without remembering Almighty, the creator of a whole world. So, all of you, please be ready for prayer. Prayer song followed by founder song.
வருவாய் 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 அம்மா திருவே ஓடுவாய் வருவாய் அம்மா இருளை நீக்கிட வருவாய் அம்மா மன இருளை நீக்கிட வருவாய் அம்மா உந்தன் அருளை பொழிந்திடு எந்தன் அம்மா உந்தன் அருளை பொழிந்திடு எந்தன் அம்மா வருவாய் 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 அம்மா திருவே ஓடுவாய் வருவாய் அம்மா. To God we bow and its surface, for the man who worked in his grace. To God we bow and its surface, for the man who worked in his grace. So read our books and play him, now sing and hail the name, now sing and hail the name of founder, patron, Amarathir Krishna Swami, our founder, patron, Amarathir Krishna Swami. With the mouth of knowledge is power, he worked day nights for a welfare. With the mouth of knowledge is power, he worked day nights for a welfare. He joined for the noble cause, now salute and respect name. Now salute and respect his name, our founder, patron, Amarathir Krishna Swami, our founder, patron, Amarathir Krishna Swami.
Good and inspiring thought can spice up our day. Reading new thought in the morning works like fuel, which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So, to inspire with thought, here comes my sister Yamini from our class.
Good morning. I am Yamini from class 9, year 2 delivered thought for the day. The key is not spending time, but investing it. As its students, it is the time that invest our time in learning, because our education and learning are the key, whatever we achieve in our life. Also, those are the only thing which cannot stolen by anyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Yamini. அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு என இவ்வுலகுக்கு அனைத்தையும் அள்ளி தந்த திருக்குறளின் ஒரு குறளை இன்று நம் அனைவரிடமும் பகிர்ந்திட எனது அன்பு தோழி யுவபாரதியை நான் அழைக்கிறேன்.
அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். நான் 9ஆம் வகுப்பு மாணவி மா யுவபாரதி. இறைவன் மனிதனுக்கு சொன்னது கீதை, மனிதன் இறைவனுக்கு சொன்னது திருவாசகம், மனிதன் மனிதனுக்கு சொன்னது திருக்குறள். வாழ்வியலின் எல்லா அங்கங்களையும் திருக்குறள் கூறுவதால் அதை சிறப்பித்து பல பெயர்களால் அழைப்பர். திருக்குறள் முப்பால், உத்திர வேதம், தெய்வநூல், பொதுமறை, பொய்யாமொழி, வாய்முறை வாழ்த்து, தமிழ்மறை, திருவள்ளுவம் என்ற பெயர்கள் அதற்குரியவை. கருத்துக்களை இன, மொழி, பாலின பேதங்கள் இன்றி காலம் கடந்தும் பொருந்துவது போல் கூறியுள்ளதால் உலகப் பொதுமறை என்று அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. இத்தனை மகிமை கொண்ட திருக்குறளில் இருந்து ஒரு குறள் இன்று கேட்போம். ஞாலம் கருதினும் கைகூடுங் காலம் கருதி இடத்தார் செயின். பொருள்: காலத்தை அறிந்து இடத்தோடு பொருந்துமாறு செய்தால் உலகமே வேண்டும் என கருதினாலும் கைகூடும். நன்றி.
நன்றி யுவபாரதி. Updating ourselves every day is good and never-ending habit. We should always have this type of habit which show our awareness towards our society, towards our nation, and that is possible only when we are eager or fond of it. Now, my brother M. Ayyappan will make us apprised by today's news.
Good morning. Today's news, national news. New Educational Policy 2020, medium of instruction to be mother tongue or regional language till class 5. The draft faced stiff opposition from various quarters over its 3-language formula, 4-year B.Ed program, board examination for class 5 and 8, among others. The Union Cabinet cleared the new policy on July 29. The Cabinet also approved the changing the name of the HRD Ministry to Education Ministry. International news. Bringing Mars back to Earth. The US and European space agencies are about to begin an audacious effort to bring samples of Martian rock and soil back to Earth. It will involve 2 robotic rovers to collect the best specimens and an elaborate delivery system to get the material home. Scientists hope to then learn more about whether life has ever existed in the red planet by studying the samples using techniques that are only available in Earth laboratories. First in history, Stuart Broad creates history. England's seam bowler Stuart Broad became the first cricketers to score a century and take 500 wickets in Test match. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Brother Ayyappan. Science consists of observing the world by watching, listening, recording and observing. Science is curiosity in thoughtful action about the world and how it behaves. Let us all learn one science fact today. Now, I welcome my brother Anand to deliver today's science fact.
My name is S. Anand from 9th standard. I am going to deliver science fact. 15 minutes of exercise every day can add 3 years to your life. Do this exercise for 15 minutes daily. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand. Geography, the study of the diverse environment, places and spaces of Earth's surface and their interaction. It seeks to answer the questions of why things are as they are, where they are. For today's geographical fact, I call upon my brother Rahul.
My name is Rahul from 9th standard. Here I deliver the geographical fact. Amazon rainforest is also referred as the lungs of the planet because it produces 20% of world's oxygen.
Thank you, Rahul. Imagine a world without numbers. How it would be if numbers were invented? Isn't it hard to even think? Without numbers or calculation, no science would ever exist. Maths and science go hand in hand. In fact, all the scientific inventions are heavily banked upon mathematic formulas. Now, I call my brother Mohan Harish to deliver today's mathematical fact.
My name is Mohan Harishar from Standard 9, here to deliver Max Fact. How many of you know the number beyond million, billion and trillion? It is quadrillion, quintillion, sextillion, septillion, octillion, nonillion, decillion and undecillion. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohan Harish. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Let us now welcome the pillar of our school who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for her wisdom and her knowledge, our respected principal, Mrs. P. Sandhya Rani. I would like to request our principal ma'am to address the gathering and to give valuable inputs.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning to one and all. Let us see few aspects of time management. The baseline of success is time management. We all know that time is precious. Still, we tend to get distracted by many factors. Few things can never be regained. Words spoken, a missed opportunity, the time that passed by. Start questioning yourself at the end of each day whether the time being utilized properly. You will definitely get the answer. Time management is the flagship quality of any successful person. Even today, great people are remembered because of their ability to manage their time well and execute it to the perfection. If you utilize the time well, the time will remember you forever. Invest the time in nourishing your general knowledge. Invest the time in discovering your role in making your parents feel proud of you. Invest the time in your passion in order to enhance to reach your goals towards success. Dear students, you deserve to celebrate your life. Make sure that you are the source of inspiration for someone in your life. You should never leave any stone unturned and ensure to convert each adversity into great opportunities. There are many people around you, your parents, teachers, well-wishers who are evolved in blessing you. Predict something bright about your future. Now, it is your responsibility to turn their dreams and your dreams into reality. Good time management skills can help to make your academic planning more productive and complements all aspects of your life. To improve your performance incredibly, I wish my students to prioritize their time management and achieve the pinnacle of success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable message. What if Newton never saw the apple fall? What if Wright brothers never tried to fly? If Edison never tried 100 times, we would still be living in dark. Just by writing theories, nothing could have been invented. We need to conduct experiments in real time to make them real. Let us now look at one simple practical experiment. Let us all try this out. I would like to welcome my brother Abhishek for doing the experiment.
Good morning, I am Abhishek. How to make invisible ink? Ingredients: paper, lemon, stick and candle. Write your message on a piece of paper with a brush embedded in lemon. Lemon, stick. I-N-K. To read the message, heat the paper for a while until the words become visible. Candle, paper. Chemical explanation. Lemon juice is a mild acid that weakens the paper upon contact, so what does heat the paper, the pass with the juice before, the rest making your message visible. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. Next, I welcome our beloved Tamil Miss, Mrs. Velayamma, to deliver a speech on importance of time management.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்றைய காலை பொழுதில் நேர மேலாண்மை பற்றி ஒரு சில கருத்துக்களை தெரிந்து கொள்வோம். காலம் பொன் போன்றது என்பதை நாம் அனைவரும் அறிவோம். நம் ஒவ்வொருவரின் வெற்றிக்கும் அடிப்படை நேர மேலாண்மையே. சில விஷயங்களை ஒருபோதும் மீட்டெடுக்க முடியாது. அதாவது நாம் பேசிய வார்த்தைகள், தவறவிட்ட வாய்ப்பு, கடந்து சென்ற நேரம் முதலியன. ஒவ்வொரு நாளின் முடிவிலும் இன்றைய நாள் சரியாக பயன்படுத்தப்பட்டதா என்று வினா எழுப்பினால் விடை பெறலாம். நேர மேலாண்மை என்பது சாதனையாளர்களின் மூன்றாவது கப்பல் தரம். இன்றும் கூட நேர மேலாண்மையின் காரணமாக வெற்றி பெற்ற சாதனையாளர்களே நம் நினைவில் நிற்கிறார்கள். நீங்கள் நேரத்தை பயன்படுத்தினால் நேரம் உங்களை கைவிடாது. உங்கள் பெற்றோரின் கனவை நனவாக்க நேரத்தை பயன்படுத்துவதில் முதலீடு செய்யுங்கள். அன்புள்ள மாணவர்களே, உங்கள் வாழ்க்கையை கொண்டாட நீங்கள் தகுதியானவர்கள். எனவே நீங்கள் நேர மேலாண்மைக்கு முன்னுரிமை கொடுத்து வெற்றியின் உச்சத்தை அடைய விரும்புகிறேன். நன்றி.
Thank you, Miss. That was indeed a valuable message for all of us.
Learning is a never-ending process. Come what may, never stop learning, as said by Martin Luther King. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Let us watch a skit for understanding about online class.
On behalf of Sri Krishna Swami Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Nungambakam, and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all, extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's assembly a resounding success. I am immensely thankful to our principal ma'am and teachers for their efforts towards making this online assembly successful. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires planning and coordination more than normal days due to lockdown. Thank you all.